Hello mga kami, nakaka-awkward lang kasi nga ito si Miss Cosmo, Miss Chelsea Fernandez, sumama nga sa winner sa Miss Cosmo, Miss USA, sumama siya. And of course, ganoon naman talaga yung tradition ng Cosmo, sasama yung first runner-up. So, ito na yung event mga kami, ito na yun, nandoon si Miss International, nandoon si Miss Supranational, and nandoon si Miss Cosmo. So, ngayon, bigayan na ng bulaklak, pabuke ang ate mo. Ngayon, wala siyang buke. Para sa akin, it's okay. It's just, pero yung, ang sa atin kasi, nakakaano, di ba? Nakaka-awkward. Kasi nga, parang, di ba, welcome yun, pa-welcome yun, flowers. Lahat naman tayo, di ba? Especially mga babae, lahat love na mabigyan ng flowers. So, di ba? Mabigyan ng ano, kasi nga simula is parang respeto, parang welcome to Indonesia. Pero it was too sudden. Bakit ganun, te? Parang nakakaano lang, nakakalungkot lang isipin, di ba? Yan, nakaka-awkward. Siyempre, sa tingin mo, si Chelsea happy? O, para sa akin, okay, sige. Pero respeto lang ba? Di ba? Para next time, I hope next time they're just aware about this, that this is not really good. This is really, for them, I respect for the tradition, for what they have, Indonesian, I love Indonesian, and of course, that the way how they think so, di ba? That the way how they welcome for the queen, the winners only, but those some lady that they're just first runner up, they're just like okay, calm like that, the way how they supposedly na ginagawa nila. Pero for the Philippines, I think we are welcome talaga kami, and of course talagang binibigyan ng effort, binibigyan kahit na 'di ba ang hirap ng buhay ng mundo, kahit ang hirap ng buhay ng ano, pero binibigyan ng effort, binibigyan ng 'di ba respeto, binibigyan ng welcome, na hot welcome. Pero itong ganito, sana I hope that those organizer, I hope that you can see this kind of things, na sana next Cosmo, sana kahit naman first runner-up lang yan, huwag nyo namang ano, because, kasama yan sa team eh. Kumbaga nakaka-awkward, beauty queen din yan, nakaka-awkward na kahit flowers, di ba wala. I respect the way how, kung ganun yung ano nyo, respect. I salute, I love Indonesian, I really terima kasih, I love you guys, I love you, the queens of Indonesia. I don't think those kind of things na, di ba, nakikita nyo na ganun, blah, 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 and so on. But, we're Asian, we just love each other. And for me, I hope, this is, advice lang. This is advice as a beauty queen enthusiastic, as a beauty queen lovers. I hope that you see these guys, that, even that, those queens, even old queens, even new queens, even the present queens, I hope that, pag kung sino yung, who those ladies invited for the event, invited for the kind of celebration, or things that they held in Indonesia. I hope that whatever you give, sana fair, sana bigyan nyo rin yung lahat ng queens, to be fair and to be look awkward, kasi nga it's really awkward that those ladies, those winners has a flower bouquet, and the other one, di ba, wala. Parang nakaka-awkward, di ba? Yun lang advice ko.